Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 24th of October, 2022. We're here to talk about Virgin Galactic. And man, it's not working. The market in Virgin Galactic is a completely dead stock. A lot of people are not showing no interest. I mean, I did a video in Virgin Galactic right here on September the 29th. And I was playing some strength to the market in Virgin Galactic. And look at this. It was only one day that the market in Virgin Galactic went into our price target area. Just one. Yes, that was it. Since then, price has been going down. Now, what should we expect now, for real? Should we be looking for Virgin Galactic get some more life back into this market and begin to go back up? You guys can see we got earnings coming up on November the 3rd. So it's right around the corner. Could that bring life back into Virgin? Or could we see the market continue to go lower and lower and lower? Because the market is hitting all-time lows, right? We hit all-time lows on the last trading day last week. The market came all the way down to a low of $4.11. It's a penny stock. So I really don't like the price action that occurred in Virgin Galactic against my price prediction. So I would consider my price prediction that I did on September the 29th a loser. Yes, it happens. So if I were to get out in the market in Virgin on the last trade, it's around 13.25% loss right there. Let's cut that out the way. Now, eventually, the market is going to have to go back up because you have a floor. You have a concrete floor at zero, right? So the market in Virgin Galactic has unlimited possibilities to go up. There's no ceiling as to how high price can go, but there is a concrete floor to see how low price can go. And we're already almost there, $4.45. So the pressure, the probabilities of us continuing to see Virgin Galactic go down, it is being reduced because you don't have too far to go from where we are at right now. So let's look at Virgin Galactic on the weekly chart, and you guys can see here that even though we don't have that far to fall in Virgin Galactic to the downside, right? Even though we don't have that, it doesn't mean that we're going to see a market explode though. We can actually just see price in Virgin Galactic just consolidate over the next couple of weeks to months. Like this could be a dead market to where nothing's going to go on into the market in Virgin Galactic. Just simply this. It's just going to consolidate. You're not going to see the market be biased in terms of seeing a bullish trend occur. Nothing of that sort. It's just going to be a market to where you can come in, maybe scalp a couple of trading days, get in and get out and move on. Right? So let's go ahead and see what can we expect, because if there's no play here, then I'm not going to waste time and actually draw on a price prediction, because we already know what is the movement right now. We already know what is the feel of all the market participants in space is down. Now, once I begin to see some introduction of demand or introduction of buyers entering the market in Virgin Galactic, then I'll come back in and play the market move higher. I'm not going to come through and waste your time and continue to come in and pump out Virgin Galactic videos telling you that this is the bottom, that things has changed when it hasn't. I don't want to waste your time because I value my time, and I know you all value yours as well. And until we see this market in Virgin Galactic break this trend line, I really don't think that there's a play here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, we're going to just extend this a little bit lower, and we'll keep an eye on the market, right? As the market continues to go like this, okay? And we begin to see strength come into the market, and we see this break happen, then we'll come back in and do another price prediction. But until then, we just need to continue to look for the market in Virgin Galactic to go down. Okay? That's what we got to look forward to until we see something change. And that change is going to occur when the overall market thinks that the price is now attracted and they come in and start buying this stock, because as of right now, no one is really coming in and buying it. Okay, so that's it. I'm done. I'm not going to drop a price for this. I'm going to look for another opportunity that we can see a stock moving, whether it's a bigger move to the downside or a bigger move to the upside. This is just a market right now. Give me your thoughts though. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.